Hey, let me show you unboxing of the Poco X6. It actually comes from the European distribution. So first of all, on the box you can find information that it's actually the 5G version. So you can use the 5G connection, and this one actually comes with the 12 gigs of the RAM and 256 gigs of the internal storage. It's actually in the blue color. So now let me just take off this foil and we are going to check what we can find inside. So for sure, I'm looking for some accessories. I was opening also the Poco X6 Pro, and in the X6 Pro you can actually find the charger, the silicone case, the cable. So that's a pretty nice package, and let's see what we can find with the phone without the Pro. But I think that it will look very similar. Now we can go inside. There we go. So we've got the yellow carton, and here let's move into the phone, and after this I'm gonna move into the accessories. So in this phone we can actually find the Snapdragon 7S Gen 2, the 120 Hz AMOLED display, 64 triple camera of the optic image stabilization, and 67 watt turbo charging, and a 5100 milliampere hour battery. So that's almost everything the same like on the Pro, but here we've got the Snapdragon instead of the MediaTek, and here we get also the 100 more battery capacity, 100 milliampere hours more on the X5. So now let's remove this one and let's see about the design of this phone. Okay, so that's how it looks, really nice. Okay, this one is actually made out of the plastic. That's how it feels actually. Yeah, the lenses are made out of the glass, but this one, it feels actually like the plastic. Right here on the left side there's no any buttons. On the top we can find the headphone jack. There's nice, because on the Pro there was no headphone jack. There's the speaker, microphone, and that's actually the AR blaster. So you can use your phone like the remote controller. The two buttons, the volume buttons and the power button, and at the bottom we can find the USB-C port, speaker, and the slot for the SIM cards. Now let's turn it on. Also on the screen we can find the factory installed screen protector. Just take a look, it's actually right here. We can find cutout for the camera. Now it is turning on. So let's take a look for some accessories. Okay, so right here we got the SIM tool. Here we can find the warranty card, the safety information, and there's also the silicone case. I'm gonna put it on the phone. But now also we can take a look for the accessories right here. So as you can see, we can find the 67 watt charger and the cable, and that's actually the USB-A into the USB-C cable. So just take a look. Here we can find the USB-A, and here you can find the USB-C. So I'm not going to open this cable because there's nothing interesting about it. That's just normal cable. But let's take a look for the case. As you can see, it's actually flexible. It's the silicone case. There's like big bumper, the access for the headphone jack, for the USB port. Let's put it on the phone. Oh, and there's like one difference, because this one, the Poco X6 5G, comes with the old version of the system, Emotion UI 14, but the X6 Pro comes with the HyperOS. So there's the first difference, and this case actually comes over the display. Take a look, especially in the corners. The same for the back. so we can easily put it on the flat surface and you will not scratch your phone. So yeah, that was quick unboxing of the Poco X6 5G, and if you are looking for some other videos for this device, like tutorials, tricks, or any other videos, just take a look for my channel. I'm also going to record the comparison with the Poco X6 Pro, and that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.